Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 9, chapter number 8, that is motion. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So, firstly we'll see section A. First answer is meter. Second one is the graph, so you can see the graph. Third one is uniform retarded motion. Fourth answer is no. Fifth one is 28. Sixth one is odometer. Seventh one is 2. Eighth answer is 36. Ninth one is 40. 10th and 11th are false. And 12th one is also false. 13th answer is uniform accelerated motion. 14th answer is the solution. So you can see the solution for 14th, 15th as well as 16th and 17th, right? We have done the solution of all the four questions. Now 18th one is first one, it may be 0. 19th one is match the following, so you can see the match the following and complete it. 20th one is option number D 0. 21st is option number B 13 kilometer. 22 is option number B vehicle, A accelerated motion and B retarded motion. 23rd one is option number D. 24th one is option number B. Motor car D travels with highest speed. 25th one is option number 8 and 26th one is option number B. Now section B, answer the following questions in short. First one, what is uniform velocity? State the conditions necessary for the motion with constant velocity. Uniform velocity, the condition in which a body covers equal distances in an equal interval of time, is known as uniform velocity. In equation, v is the average velocity of a body during time t. If both its magnitude and direction do not change with time, then it can be said that the body is at uniform velocity. Necessary conditions for uniform velocity are: particle must move in a straight line. Speed of particle during motion must be constant, that is, acceleration of the particle must be 0. Second one, give reason an object performing uniform circular motion performs accelerated motion. Magnitude of velocity of an object performing uniform circular motion is maintained constant, but the direction of velocity is in the direction of the tangent drawn at each point on circular path, that is, it is different. So velocity also changes continuously, hence the object performs accelerated motion. Third one is distinguish between the following, that is velocity and acceleration. Displacement of a moving object in unit time is called velocity. Rate of increase in velocity of an object is called acceleration. Velocity is equals to displacement upon time, and acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. SI unit of velocity is meter per second raised to 1, and SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Fourth one is a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform accelerated of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. So you can see the complete solution and complete it in your workbook. Fifth one, a ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After what time will it strike the ground? Now the solution for the same question is already given. So you can see the answer, means the solution, and complete it in your workbook. Now section C, answer the following questions pointwise. For that, first one is explain uniform and non-uniform motion with proper illustrations. Uniform motion If an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small the time interval may be, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. For example, suppose a car moves 100 meter in first 5 second, 100 meter in the next 5 second and so on, then the car is in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. If an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then the object is said to be in non-uniform motion. Most of the motions we see in day to day life are non uniform motions. For example, a car is moving on a crowded street. Second one, obtain the formula of linear speed of an object performing uniform circular motion along a circular path of radius r. Show that it performs accelerated motion. If an object moves with a velocity of constant magnitude along the circular path, the only change in its velocity is due to the change in the direction of motion. The motion of the object moving along a circular path is therefore an example of an accelerated motion. The circumference of a circle of radius r is given by 2 pi r. If the object takes t seconds to go once around the circular path of radius r, the speed v is given by v equals to 2 pi r upon t. Third one, a graph of speed time for a motion of a train is shown below. Study it and answer the following questions. For that, first question is, which type of motion would it perform from point O to A? Second, which type of motion does the part AB of the graph represents? And third, find the retardation for the motion from point B to C. So first answer, it performs uniform accelerated motion from point O to A. Second, part AB of the graph represents uniform speed. And third one is the we have found out the retardation for the motion from B to C. So you can see it and complete it. Now fourth one, a stone is thrown in vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? So you can see the answer and complete it in your workbook. Fifth one, Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging? First, A from A to B and B from A to C. So, can you see the answer for both the options, that is from A to B and from A to B to C? And you can complete it in your workbook. Sixth one, a girl walks from her house on a straight path to drop a letter to the letter box. Then she returns to the original position. Her displacement time graph is shown in the figure. Draw its velocity time graph. So you can see the graph which is drawn. You need to draw the same type of graph. Now section D, answer the following questions in detail. First one is, derive the following equations of uniform accelerated on straight path when the velocity time graph. First one is v equals to u plus at. Second is s equals to ut plus half at square. So you can see the answer which is given for both the first one also and the second one also. We have derived the formula very clearly. So you can see and complete it in your workbook. Now second one is, the distance time graph of three vehicles A, B and C is shown below. Study the graph and answer the following questions. First one, which of the three is traveling the fastest? Second, are all the three ever at the same point on the road? C. How far has C traveled when B passes A? And fourth, how far has B traveled by the time it passes C? Speed equals to slope of time or distance minus time graph, that is tan theta. So B is traveling the fastest. Second one, no, the three lines do not meet at the same point. Third one, when B passes A, C is at a distance of 7 kilometers approx from the origin. And fourth one, by the time B passes C, B has traveled 4.5 kilometer approximately. And here we come to the end of chapter number 8, that is motion. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.